Hello everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do a Cuban sandwich, a Cubano. We're doing it Tampa style today here on Cooking with Corey. So here are our ingredients, our leftover honey chipotle pork loin that we did, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. We got some kosher dill pickle, got some just regular yellow mustard, decent good ham of your choice, some Genoa salami, some Swiss cheese. I didn't want to go as source a bit. I was looking for a fancier one, but this is what we're going to use. It's craft. And I don't have the Cuban bread. I don't want to hear about it. They're going to say you don't have the Cuban bread, blah, 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 blah. I know, I understand. It is what it is. We're going to use some fresh rustic French loaf right here. So that's what we're going to do. That's going to be our video of the day. So let's get it going next. All right, let's break our bread down, our French loaf. If you can get a hold of a Cuban loaf, please do. And so we're just going to take the edge off here. We're just going to make 2 sandwiches today. And let's go about, I wanted to fit my pan, so let's say there. Take one, take the other one over there, like that. And like that. And then we'll just take the loaves. You see that? Yep, we'll go right down the middle. Like so. Separate them out. And we're ready to start building our Tampa style Cubano Cuban sandwich. All right, let's build it. Right here, we got the bottom of our bread there. And we're not gonna put mustard on that. We're gonna start with our ham over here. Ham of your choice, sliced pretty thin, as thin as you can get. Get a nice, good 3 slices on there. And our delicious roasted pork that we did in that video, which I froze. And you can use any pork. I mean, you could use pulled pork, you know, you could like grill your pork chops, chop it up, leftover pork chops, throw it on there, whatever. So we'll get that on there like so. Delicious pork. All right, that's good. Had a little more than I needed. All right, so we got our ham, pork of your choice, Genoa salami. Here we go. Genoa salami right here. That goes on there like so. And it's looking delicious already. Our pickles and whatever you want to use. You need to use dill though. I'm using these slices here. Pickles are hard to find right now. They're really hard to get a hold of because of the COVID crap. So we'll do 3 slices of the delicious dill pickle right there on our sandwich. All right, then Swiss cheese, like so. Right, move him to the side. We'll bring in our topper. That's the top. Now, traditional Tampa wise and everywhere, sometimes they add mayo to your mustard. I wouldn't go that route. It's not traditional, or so they say. And I believe them because you couldn't refrigerate it back then. So get a nice good old glug of delicious, just straight up yellow mustard. You could use Coleman's on this. I think it would be a good little sub if you wanted to on that. Like so. And there we got it. Put our topper on. All right, I'm gonna do the other one. We'll bring it back and we'll get these going and smash them up. All right, now we gotta smash and toast, not smash. Well, we're crunching it down. So we got our pan here. I got this ridged one. You can use whatever pan you want. And I have given it a little butter in the bottom. We're gonna do this over medium-high heat. Butter in the bottom of our pan like that. We're gonna take our sandwiches in, our Cubans right here. And this is the top, and we're gonna flip it over like so in the pan. We got our other one, top, and flip it over like so. We're gonna give it a smush. Then we're gonna take some more butter. which is starting to get back to its buttery state other than being melted, but that's fine because what we want to do, it's got to be spreadable on a bread like that. Alright, that's what we want. We are going to put a pan on this. We're going to smush this down. We'll do this as soon as this pan comes up to heat. I was showing you that before it got up to heat. Bring it up to heat. Okay, here our Cubans in the pan. It's starting to heat up. And I shouldn't have put the butter on those. I should have waited till after I gave them a smasheroo, but I did it. No take backsies. It's going to be alright because we're just using a pan anyway because I don't got a panini press. If you got a panini press, this would be a good time to use it. So give it a good press down and then lay some weight to it. I got some beef broth here that we can use. I got a can of cream of mushroom soup we can use. And I got some marinara. Give it a good bunch down. Make sure it's nice and even. We're heating up. Let's give it 4 minutes and we'll see where we're at. We've been going like just about 4 minutes over medium, high heat. Let's give these a flip, see how we're doing. See if I can do this without burning myself. Ooh, there we go. That's looking good right there. Boom, here we go. Oh, I'll tell you what. We're looking good there. I mean, good looking. Can you guys hear that? Other than that, that's what you want to hear. Let's get our pan back out. Turn up the heat just a little bit. Put our weights back on. Or you could just sit there and just push it down. You can just sit here and go like that a little bit. You don't have to overdo it. Give it a little go. All right, let's get the other side nice and crusty. We'll be ready to eat our Cuban. Tampa style. All right, we're taking the weights off. Let's take our pan off. Now look at what we got here. Nice and crusty. Let's check our other side, which should be nice and crusty, I would assume too. Absolutely. All right, so what we got to do now, cut into these bad boys, do a taste test. All right, everybody, here it is in all its glory, or her glory. It's our Tampa Bay Cuban sandwich. It's back, nice and thin, nice and crunchy. All right, so what they do with the Cuban is you need to get a really good bias cut on this bad boy, like so. Oops. Let's get through it. This table wobbles too much. Anyway, we got it. There it is. There's our Tampa Cuban sandwich. All right, we'll take a picture quick and then we'll come back and I can't wait to do the taste test. We'll move on. All right, let's take a bite. Oh, look at that. Look at the layers and that. Oh yeah. All right, always start from the small end. Here we go. I'll tell you what. Wow. If you ever had one, you gotta make one. Because this is an awesome sandwich. It's a classic. It's been around so long for a reason. That's because it's freaking delicious. So there you got it. Tampa Bay style. It's Tampa Bay style you don't like, take the salami out. You can use like pulled pork, any kind of pulled pork or whatever you want in there. Pork loin roast or whatever you got. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, shit.